Okay, so we want to determine the cost of treating my own headache based on my body weight. So we're going to start off with the relationship between the pills and the bottles. So in one bottle of Excedrin, it's $15.51 for one bottle. So now we want to multiply that by one bottle and the 200 pills that come in one bottle. So these cancel out, leaving you with 15.51 divided by 200, which equals 0.7755. And rounded with significant figures, that equals 0.08 cents per pill. So now moving on to Advil. We know that Advil is $15 per one bottle. Yes, okay, so times that by one bottle, and in one bottle there are 300 pills. So cancel, and you're left with 15.00 divided by 300, and that equals 0.05 cents per pill. Now moving on to Tylenol. Tylenol, just ignore that. Tylenol is $14.97 per one bottle, and that is one bottle and 225 pills in one bottle. So these cancel out, leaving us with 14.97 divided by 225, which equals 0.0665 cents per pill. Yes, okay. So now moving on to the relationship with the number of pills. So we know that Excedrin has 250 milligrams per one pill, times there's 200 pills in one bottle. So we're going to cancel these pills out, leaving us with milligrams per bottle. So now we're going to multiply 250 by 200, which equals 50,000 milligrams per bottle. Okay, now Advil. And there are 200 milligrams per one pill times 300 pills in one bottle. So cancel, leaving us with 200 times 300, which is 60,000. So milligrams per bottle. So now Tylenol. Oh, I spelled that wrong. That's okay. And there are 500 milligrams in one pill. So that takes us to 225 pills in one bottle. These cancel, this cancels, leaving us with 500 times 225, which is 1,000, no, oh geez, 112,000 milligrams per bottle. Jeez. Per bottle. Okay, and now we're going to want to move on to body mass, the relationship. So, we know that in Excedrin includes acetaminophen, I hope that's spelled right, which has 240 milligrams per 35 pounds. I weigh roughly 140 pounds, so we're gonna write that out, and now we're gonna times that by 240 milligrams over 335 pounds. Jeez. And we're gonna cancel the pounds out, and that is gonna give us 140 times 240 divided by 35, 960 milligrams. Okay, now Advil. So we know Advil includes ibuprofen, and that is 113 milligrams per 25 pounds. So 140 pounds times 113 milligrams over 25 pounds. So cancel, cancel. Now we have 140 times 113 divided by 25, and that equals 632. 0.8, and I'm going to round that to 633 milligrams. Oh, jeez. Okay. Tylenol includes paracetamol. I hope that's pronounced right. Paracetamol, and in paracetamol, 102 milligrams per 15 pounds. Okay, so 140 pounds times 102 milligrams over 15 pounds. So those cancel, those cancel. Now we're left with 140 times 102 divided by 15. That gives us 952 milligrams. Okay, now we're going to move on to the relationship with the active ingredients in pills. Jeez. Okay, so we know that there are 960 milligrams in Excedrin. So per one pill, there are 250 milligrams. So we're going to cancel these out, and that is going to give us 3.84 pills. Now we're going to go 3.84 pills times the 0.08 cents that we got earlier over one pill. Cancel, cancel, and that gives us 0.3072, and I'm going to round that to 0.30 cents. Okay, now Advil. We just learned that there are 633 milligrams for my weight, and one pill includes 200 milligrams. So cancel, cancel, and that gives us 3.165 pills. So we're going to take that over here, and 3.165 pills times the 0.05 cents from earlier in one pill. Cancel, cancel, equals 3.165 times 0.05. That gives us 0.15825. And I'm going to round that to 0.20 cents. That's bad. 0.20 cents. Jeez. Okay. Technical difficulties. And now, lastly, Tylenol has 952 milligrams times one pill, which is 500 milligrams. And cancel, cancel, and that gives us 952 divided by 500, which is 1.904 pills. So now we're going to get 1.904 pills times the 0.665 cents from earlier in one pill. Cancel, cancel, and that gives us 0.126616, and I'm gonna round that to 0.13. I just realized my mistake here. Okay, and that gives us 0.13 cents, making Tylenol the cheapest. So now on to the hard part, and what we already know is that paracetamol's chemical formula is C8H9NO2, and one bottle of Tylenol is $14.97. One bottle contains 225 pills, and one pill is roughly equal to 0.0665 cents, and one pill has 500 milligrams of C8H9NO2 paracetamol. So next, we're going to calculate the molar mass, and that would be 12.01 times 8 plus 1.01 times 9 plus 14.01 plus 16 times 2, which gives us 151.18 as our molar mass. So we're going to want to put that into a formula, and that is going to give us 500 milligrams of paracetamol over 0.0665 cents times 1 gram over 1,000 milligrams times 1 mole over 151.18. Now let's calculate. So we have 500 divided by 1,000. Oh, no, that's division. That is going to give us 0.0033073158 moles. And now we're going to put that over our 0.0665 cents. Now what we want to do is convert this mole to molecules to get our final answer. And we're going to want to multiply this by Avogadro's number, which is 6.022 times 10 over 23 molecules, and over 1 mole. Cancel these, cancel these. That is going to give us 0.0 1.991665564 times 10 to the power of 21. Okay, and now I'm going to want to put this back over our 0.0065 cents. And now what I'm going to do is divide this by our cents. That gives us so in 1 molecule of paracetamol, it equals, I'm gonna round this to 3.0 times 1022. And that is our final answer.